Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is thrive. Let's discover what this positive and practical word means. Thrive means to grow, develop, and succeed in a healthy and successful way. It can describe people, businesses, plants, skills, and ideas that become stronger over time. With encouragement and consistent practice, the students began to thrive in their English classes. This means the students became more confident, improved their skills, and achieved better results. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word thrive? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!